How to link eFootball with Google Play. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open eFootball on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Extras at the top right. After you click on Extras, in here click on Support. Then click on Link Data in here. After you click on Link Data in here, click on Link using Google Play. Now, simply click on OK. And now, Google Play has been linked. As you can see at the top, Google Play linked. And this is how to link eFootball with Google Play. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.